Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Charles Schwab account on your device. For that, first of all, launch Charles Schwab application on your device. Once the application is open, you will see this interface of login page. If you haven't created account on Charles Schwab, then simply tap on Open an Account option available here. Then, to begin your login process, first of all, you have to enter your login ID. If you want this device to remember your login ID details, then simply toggle on this button. Then tap on Continue. Now you have to enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then simply tap on Forgot Password option available here. Once you enter your password, you can also set your Face ID by simply toggling on this button. Then at last, simply tap on Login button, then you will be successfully logged into Charles Schwab account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.